your message to our birthday girl.
Naiiyak si Nino.
Naiiyak na si Nino.
First, happy birthday, Yana.
Tissue. Just kidding.
Just wish more blessings and grace, and just always be true to yourself, follow your dreams, and happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ninong Chai. Who lang Chai here? Please give a big round of applause to Ninong Chai. Next up, of course, we have the amazing Tito Greg.
First of all, happy birthday, Jana. So, we choose this Lego because we choose this for you because you're fast and fun, and also full of adventure, just like a real driver of a Formula car. Happy birthday, Jana.
Thank you so much, Tito Greg. Next up, of course, hindi din magkakahuli. Please welcome on stage, Tito Quirino. Our round of applause.
Happy 7th birthday to you. I choose this Lego as a gift that this one is better than the alarm clock. You can use this one, but if you're successful someday, this happy 7th birthday, best wishes.
Thank you so much, Malapakis. We have also the most responsible Tito in town, Tito Ronald.
Happiest birthday, Gianna. I wish that you will grow up strong and loving and compassionate. Always remember that you have very loving parents. Follow your dreams, and you reach your better heights. Always keep believing in God and in yourself. Happiest birthday, Gianna.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you so much, Tito Ronald. Can you please give a big round of applause to Tito Ronald? And of course, up next, the strongest Tito in town. Please welcome on stage, Tito Ryan. A round of applause.
Happy birthday, Gianna, and the message that I have for you is from God. In all thy ways acknowledge you, and He will direct your path. So always remember, everything that you do, always remember God in your life. So God bless you and happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Peter Ryan. To complete our 7 Legos, I would also love to welcome ang pinaka, the most generous.
Hi, Jenna. Happy birthday. Actually, my gift for you is backpack, stitch backpack, because this will help you carry your toys, Lego, and I hope that you will enjoy your birthday today. Always remember that you are surrounded with beautiful people, your responsible parents, and always trust God whatever you do. And again, happy birthday and enjoy. Happy birthday, Jenna.
Here, ready, 1, 2, 3. One more.
Alright, pusa.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Wait lang dito, can you please give me a strong pose? 1, 2, 3, and strong. music. Hey! Sir, hindi ka namin nakikita. Let's go! Hey!